Hey everyone, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Mike.
And we're here today from BobCAD-CAM.
Yep.
So we're here today with the tip of the day as promised. We said we were going to be in your face, so here we are.
That's right. The tip of the day is in the form of an article. It's about using your stock in 3D milling. It lets you know some of the options you have at your disposal when controlling your toolpath in 3D.
So it's definitely helpful information, so make sure to go down below, click on the link, check out the article. It's great information. It can help you with your production, your efficiency, everything. And last but not least, let us know what you think. We want to know, because that's the only way we can improve and make things better for y'all. Or if you like it how it currently is, or you like a certain feature, let us know. Yeah.
Yeah, great. So check it out. Let us know what you think.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and reach out. We'll see you soon.
See you later.
Peace.